Igoti-ini ria Naivasha kaunti ya Naikuru nikuo makiria ma ekwirwo igana rimwe aria amwe ao ni ciana nini makinyitio magikuruhanio na mahitia ma kuiya na guthukangia indo cia muigana wa ciringi mirioni 100 hindi ya mururungano wa kuregana na watho wa kigina kiumia giki. Gatagati-ini ka ekwirwo aya ni atumia 19 aria marakuhanio na mahitia ma kuobanĩria supermarket ya Naivas, wabici ya MUMBUNGE wa Naivasha, o ũndũ ũmwe na mũkawa wa Epico kuria mathũkire na kuiya indo cia muigana wa ciringi mirioni 100.
They started looting, but after us getting information, we rushed swiftly to that particular place, and we managed to arrest those ones who were stealing from the premises. We managed to arrest about 130 persons. Started burning the constituency office, and then after that one now they went to the Naivas. Another team went to Naivas. Some of them went to constituency office where they destroyed. They burnt they removed the property from the office and then they burnt the office. There was also a vehicle which was burned, which was just parked next to that place. But generally, I think we've no any other place which they did a very major damage.
Mbere ya mucirithania Juliana Ndengeri ekwirwo mathitangiro na thitango ithatu cia wici uthukagia na kwigwatira indo cia wici thitango iria mareganite nacio ciothe.
We are really working on the recoveries. We made some recoveries yesterday. We managed to recover two motorbikes and some mattresses which was being stolen from the Naivas supermarket. But progress is on well. The DCIO and his team is working on that, and some of our officers who are civilian, they are working on some suspects whom we know they have been seen carrying those particular items.
Omukwirwo ni arekerio na bodi ya ciringi 200 na kindu kia muigana wa mbeca ici kana ciringi 100 mbeca baribari kwaga uguo mahingirwo rumande. O maya magithiaga na mbere andu 16 ni marekeirio hatari thitango igoti-ini ni igoti ria Nyahururu makirika ni manyitire itemi mururungano wa kuregana na watho wa kigina.
Gutiri mahitia maria marekire no kuhuthira ihoto ciao cia gigatiba cia ku demonstrate na riria mara demonstrate gutiri mundu unyititwo ati ni athukangirie indo, gutiri mundu unyititwo ati ni akoretwo ari violent, na maundu macio ni mutugutwarite igoti-ini nikio marekio.
Giko kia maabitha a borithi gwikia arurungani ngoro ni kimenererio ni mucirithania Henry Kimani akiuga ti kihoto maabitha a borithi gwikia arurungani ngono na kumacerithiria kumakinyia igoti-ini.
Walinibeba juju and I was ready to cooperate. There was nothing to hide because our demonstration was peaceful until unknown people wakaingililia, but ours was very peaceful.
Tuhoe thirikari muno toni ithu twambicagurire na ciana ici citu tugiciira icagure thirikari ino na riu niyo iraumiza ciana citu o hamwe na aciari acio Mahitia manene muno.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Gitau wa Njuguna.